and it feels so right. Firecracker, she's the light of my life. Burn it up, boys! Hey, man! Woo! Bobby, hang on just a second, Bobby. How you doing tonight? I'm doing great. What's your name? Vivian, come on up here. Help Vivian up, folks. Come here, Vivian. Come here. Come here. Turn around. I want to show off that smile. Right there. Vivian has been smiling all the entire show. Yes, and tapping your foot and clapping your hands over here. I love to watch that, Vivian. You look like you enjoyed it, and we're just glad you're here. Where are you from, Miss Vivian? Ohio. Couldn't have planned that any better, could I? Vivian?
Yes.
Is this your husband over here?
53 years.
53. And what's his name?
Jim.
Jim. Jim, your wife has got a nervous switch. That hand is really low down there. Okay. She's got a good grip back there, I can tell you that. I think she's just got $1 out of my wallet. Vivian? I don't know where to go from there. Jim's okay if I dance with your bride a little bit? He don't care. I tell you what, Vivian, I'm going to lead tonight, Vivian. No, I'm going to lead, okay? Get your hand higher. You just don't have to put it over my shoulder. There you go. Golly, it's just habit for you, isn't it? You are a firecracker. All right, Vivian. Are you ready?
Maybe.
Yeah. Bobby, here we go. Come on. We got a good thing going and it feels so right. She's a firecracker, she's a light of my life. Listen up. We got a good thing going and it feels so